Okay, so today we're opening 24 of the Uprising loot boxes. Let's start. Hopefully I won't block watch catch you. Come here. Okay, nothing at the start. Nope.
Let them eat cake.
Okay. Please, eat cake. Nope. Nope.
Don't be daft.
Maybe. Why not? And sure. And yeah. Alright, well. Didn't need that, but have it nonetheless. Legendary. Nope. Okay, duplicate city apparently. Please, come on. This is my 5th one of you. Give me a legendary. Alright. Oh, okay. Be that way, I guess.
Try and keep up.
Yeah. Why not? And legendary! Okay. Blizzard hates me. Interesting. At least I'm getting gold. That's something. Come on, please. Please! No! Yes! Yes, I need it. I wanted you. Good. I have you.
Some assembly required.
And nope. 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 No, I already have 3 legendaries for you, man. Not equipping you. Legendary. Blizzard, you hate me. Honestly hate me today. What is this? 8 loot boxes? Nothing? Alright. Please. Please, Blizzard, please. Oh my god. Okay.
Why do you struggle?
Nothing.
Why do you struggle?
Good. Why not? Oh my god. Blizzard? Blizzard, please. 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 Not. This isn't even
Unacceptable.
funny. Come on, please. And legendary. Oh, I mean, Sonic Bastion. Yeah. Come on. Please. Please, please. Being the epics, but they're not what I want. Come on. Oh my god. I paid money for this. Come on. Please. Blizzard, what? Nope. Nope, I'm sad. Alright. This is getting a bit ridiculous. Oh, please. Are you? Okay. Double legendary? Yes. Not what I was looking for, but legendary nonetheless. Come on, triple legendary, triple cheeseburger? Nope. Come on, one more. Talon Widowmaker, please. Please, Talon. Okay. Turbine. Come on. Please make up for it with it. Nope. Okay. You do you. Give me nothing. Blizzard, please do something. Help me. Save me. Nope. Nope. And yeah, this is just sad. Alright, last one. Please, Blizzard, Talon Widowmaker. All I need. All I want. My God. 24 loot boxes.
Takes a woman to know it. What are you thinking?
And what? 3 legendaries. One I already had. That's sad. Blizzard, you hate me. You really do. Come on.
How about that? Take 2 and call me in the morning. You
Okay.
really should take...
No, monkey. Have you,
At least
seen
I
my
got
glasses?
new
Did
script
someone?
please, and voice lines. Please, please, please. Next time I get a loot box, will you be something good?
Sorry, but shut down.
Okay. Yes, you're right. You've shot down my hope of actually getting a good loot box. Thank you. Thank you, Farah. Please.
I'm simply... Some functionality may still be in beta.
Okay. Oh, still got stuff here.
Are you unstoppable?
Okay. Last.
What are you looking at? I'm not a psychopath.
That's...
I'm a high-functioning psychopath.
Yeah, I was about to say that's debatable.
And if it
But,
lives,
clearly he just realized that. Okay. I'm... It's just... uprising. Arcade. Let's just do this. Our last loot box. Gotta work for it, though. Gotta work for it. I think your only good one. But so I got Torbjorn. Yep. And I already had McCree.
Arriving at Eagle Point, prepare for battle.
Follow me.
Select your hero.
Alright.
Alright, Vince. Catch you later.
Hey. Let's win. I need this loot box. Badly. I just opened 20. Got absolutely nothing.
Hello there.
2, 1, fight.
Alright, man.
This is my jam.
Oh, that was close. Peek again, I dare you. Well, when I said peek again, I didn't kill me, but guess that's a side effect.
Pump up the volume.
Please,
Yeah, time to heal up.
please. Win. One of them's dead, I believe. I believe. Oh, one of them left. Come on, kill Hunter.
get you here.
Kill Hunter. Yay.
Woo, you hear that?
Nice, nice. Yes, yes.
Winner.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Check yourself.
Thank you.
Score
Thank you, people.
1-0. Prepare for battle. Select your
Alright.
hero.
That's one. 2 more. Nope. Every time. Every time I press enter, it does that. I can't type anymore. Why? Why you do this to me? Recording material. Why?
One shot.
3, 2, 1, kill. 1. Fight.
Alright. And I'm a Jesus Christ. No, I'm not. If you hear anything in the background, that'd be my mom calling. Come on. I need headshots. Oh, scary. What'd I do? I don't know. The only thing I can do. Trick shot!
Enemy
I
eliminated.
hit her. Ooh, okay. Okay. Alright.
Eliminated.
Let's do this.
Eliminated.
Wait, what? How? No. No. Oh, I'm scared. One. For the team! Oh my god. Oh, we're both out. Oh, I got him.
Nice.
Oh, yes.
Score.
I got him. Alright, one last one. And I get that loot box.
Prepare for battle.
Haha, how did I get there? I got
Select your hero.
Okay. Just talking to my mom in the background. Dinner is very, very soon. But loot boxes is very, very soon.
Heal me.
3, 2, 1.
Enter.
Fight.
You are
Match
a bane.
point.
Wait, what? When did I? Oh, damn it. And you're not there. Yes, you are. Mercy. Ooh, I hit you. Back up, Winston.
Enemy eliminated.
Nice.
Enemy eliminated.
He's down.
Enemy eliminated.
Yes. Nice, guys. GG.
Victory.
And I can't type GG. Okay. Alright, who got played the game? Let's see.
Play
And
of the
alright,
game.
not me, so doesn't matter. Please tell Widowmaker. I believe in miracles. Nope, miracles hate. Yep, that's the third time. Third time. Stop. Okay, well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. And like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.